Well, yesterday, guys, I had so much fun cleaning up the garage, and it's so nice and warm. And look at it, guys, today, back to winter. Can you imagine? From such a wonderful day yesterday, being so warm, and now we're back to winter. But anyways, I was able to at least spruce up the garage, do some cleaning up here, guys, for the summer, and even clean up the cars in the process. And yeah, unbelievable. As you notice, I covered up the Suna and the Golf R for now, and just to keep it nice and clean. It's interesting because the fact that it was so nice yesterday, and now look at it. It's just plain winter, back to winter. Yeah, very crazy. I'm currently working on the Golf R now, doing some mods. Not gonna mention what the mod is at this point, but anyways, stay tuned for that video. And yeah, crazy. Look, we're back to winter technically here. Jeez. That's the weather we got here in Calgary, guys. That's pretty much it. Normally one day it's nice, the next day it's just, I don't even want to say it.
Hey there, it's Jay here once again. Hey guys, as you have seen how bad it is out there, I figured I'd sit here with you and share with you the plans that I have for the Golf R going forward, and some of it will be happening this summer. Anyways guys, I'll be breaking this down into three sections. Basically the styling, handling, and performance tuning. In terms of styling, guys, the first thing that I would really wanted to work on is at least get this car tinted, for crying out loud. Well, at this point, guys, I would like to have it tinted, not too dark though. I wanted to get the light tint as I have on the Mark 7 at one point, Mark 7 Golf. So the other thing too that I'm working on is the front and the side splitter. Definitely, I would like to get some body styling going, having the front splitter a little bit to make it look like it's a little lower than usual, and also some rear diffusers, some really nice rear diffusers for sure. As well, I'm thinking I'm also not happy with the carbon fiber mirror cap that I've installed last summer. They're really fairly cheap looking, and I would like to actually upgrade that and actually get the real carbon fiber this time. From the handling point of view, guys, there are some plans lined up here. First off, I would like to get the sway bar upgraded. Right now I'm debating what sway bar I'm going with. Either the thicker ones like the 24-25 millimeter or the 034 ones that are the 22 or 23s and the 24 ones, and see how those things will work with the car. As well, I would like to lower the car, not 100% yet on what brand, and I would like to get some better tires in the process. Tires goes a long ways in terms of handling, and that's definitely one thing I would like to add in the process. From the performance tuning point of view, guys, I like the idea of savoring every stages of performance car, from its stock form to truly love and understand the car and what it's worth, and enjoy it right from the get-go, and patiently make the little tweaks and enjoy every horsepower and torque gain that you get from it. That's the way I see it, guys. You truly have to, and if you don't, it's really short-lived. As you know, guys, this hobby is expensive, and whatever you put in it, you'll never get back, money-wise. And so, guys, it's just a way to enjoy the car, and you don't want to go from stage 0 to stage 3. You got to really enjoy every single bit of it. So that's how my idea of tuning is. At stands, the Golf R is still on JB4. And I've been riding the Map 4 for the longest time, as I mentioned. And this summer, I'll be working with George to see if we can actually configure the Map 6 and see how we can max that out from the JB4 point of view. with the little bolt-on that I have. And moving forward, definitely I'll be doing some flash tune. And by the way, guys, the car is already 3 years old, and yeah, pretty soon the warranty is going to be off, and the car will be paid off 100% in the next year. So I'll be definitely going with the flash tunes. Right now, I'm looking at possibly doing the cob port with EQT. I've been hearing a lot of good things about it. IE is another tuning company that possibly is a good company to work with. And also O34 Motorsports have their own tuning as well from the DSG and the ECU and DSG tunes. So yeah, stage one, guys, I'm pretty much on the stage one stage at this point with my an equivalent anyways, guys. I'm on JB4 with some turbo muffler deletes and inlet pipe upgrade, and I have a cold air intake at this point. I'm definitely gonna try stage one for sure, and enjoy that as well in the process with some DSG and an ECU tune. I'm definitely gonna be going to stage two, guys, with a high flow downpipe with possibly HPA Motorsports. I really like the styling of their downpipes. It's really nicely designed. And definitely I'll be installing 3-inch cutback in the process and an intercooler as well, and to keep the car cool and everything from heat soak and the whole 9 yards. And stage three will be basically the ultimate goal for this car, having to put a hybrid turbo and possibly upgrading the fuel system in the process, and big brake kits. And so that way we could do some stopping there, guys, with all the power that we'll be gaining. So anyways, guys, that's pretty much the roadmap for this Golf R in the future. And again, I promise there'll be some changes in the car this summer. And again, guys, I appreciate all your support in the process. And if you haven't done so, please do subscribe and click that bell button as well, so you can get all the notifications for all the future videos that I'll be having. As always, peace out.